Cha la 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 la, cha la 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 la, cha la 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 la, cha la 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 la. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4 bananas make a bunch 7 anymore. Oh, and how would the banana buggy go? Coming out to bring you the banana split. So cha la 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 la, cha la 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 la. Call it on split, call it on split. The band's meeting the banana split with officially co-founder. I'll have a medium pizza, half marshmallow, half pepperoni. What? Fleegle said he was calling an order. I think the meeting was about to begin. Now pepperoni. First up, you need to. Oh, you need to talk about. Snorky, are you alright? He has a hiccups. All your breath, Snark. That never worked. You have to hold your breath and hop on one leg. Boink, 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 boink. Told to get your cure, Snark. You need to. Try to stand you on your head. Ha 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 ha. Hey, take some water. How are you feeling, Snork? Cure. Bana.